everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add images to Apple Wallet. So we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first warning, which is Apple Wallet does not accept raw images or file like JPG and PNG. So you must use a pass generator application to convert the image into a wallet compatible format. So in this one, we will use a typical pass generator app like Pass4Wallet or Wallet Creator as an example. So the next one is to install a pass generator application. So just go to App Store and download a pass generator app, like for example, Pass4Wallet, or the Wallet Creator or Pass2U Wallet. So these applications create a PKPass file. So the next is to create a new custom pass in the application. So you will see this. So just select the option to create a new custom pass or generic pass, or name the pass, like for example, library card photo. Next is to upload your image or photo. So the application will prompt you to choose a background image from your photo library. So just have to select the image that you want in your wallet. So the app may ask you to crop or adjust the image to fit the pass format. And once you're done, just save or generate the pass file. Lastly is to export and add to wallet. So just tap on Add to Apple Wallet or similar button within the Pass app. So Wallet will show a preview of your new pass. So just tap on the plus icon and Add button in the corner to confirm the image is now stored as a digital pass. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!